What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another day, it's another beautiful vlog prepare for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the channel so far. You know, I've been uploading consistently. I'm trying to upload a consistency. The internet keep pushing me back, but I'm not complaining. I'm adjusting and I'm gonna go. I'm trying to make this video earlier so I don't have to be rushing about the internet situation. Anyway, I'm here at the base one, trying to get situated to go back to the shop. I came here because my stomach is acting up. A few people don't know me personally, understand. I can't eat certain things. Sometimes it slips into my diet, and that's how it goes. Can't stop admiring the day with this beautiful green overcast. But it's just a very beautiful day. I don't know what berry these are fruits, but I ain't never gonna touch something that I don't know about. But just admiring the sky. It's kind of overcast now, but it was raining earlier, so that's that. However guys, I want you to do me a favor and watch the video till the end. Also I want you to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed as yet. Turn your notification on, and look at that. That's what we call a flyby. And yes, if you don't understand where I'm located right now, I'm located close to the airport, which is in Tocumen. Like probably 20 minutes away from the airport, probably less. I'm giving 20 because I'm being generous with 20. But you can see a bunch of planes landing and taking off. I always think that's a good view, you know. The movie, I think it was Miami Vice. The plane landing. I always think that shot was great. I always admire that shot. So yeah, it's part of the journey. I don't know what my neighbor going on, but those things right here, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera. Here, these look like strawberries, but I'm not sure. Look again. That one is behind the bushes. But it's there. I can still hear it. That's how fast they release these planes. See? There you go. That's a Copa airline. There you go. Yeah, that's how fast they release these planes back to back. So you know, people in Panama is like the Central America hub for everything, everywhere. People travel here a lot. People back and forth. Sometimes you get connected flight here back to different countries and stuff like that. But I'm here vlogging this beautiful greenery, lush bush. And I'm bringing the video to you guys, but fortunately I'm going back to HQ where I'm going to finish this video for you guys to enjoy. So I'll see you in the next clip. Alright guys, we make a quick stop to get some food at the restaurant tea right here on the corner at the entrance of Nueva Tocumen. Crash from the Mega Mall. That's a quick little update stop where we have make vlog progress according to our day. So that's how it is right now. We are here chilling, getting food, some rice and chicken. I didn't record it because I didn't think about it, but now I just let me whip out this camera and record it. So I'll see you in the next clip when I'm actually at the spot. One of them beautiful weird day where it's sunny and raining at the same time. The rain is falling, also the sun is shining, and this dude right here is still on the roof. There's a dude right there on the roof. I mean, can it get any better than that? The sun is out. You can see clear. The sun is out. And it's clearly raining. I call a brother and tell him to close him back. Back and can't open now. Hope wherever you are, you're not having this weather right here. Because this weather here is special. It's not for everybody. Habla. Poco. Yo. Hey, el cosa atrás del carro está abierto. Ah, ok, tú sabes, dale bomba. Dale bomba, bomba. That's how the day is going right now. My boy turn back. See that? It's chilling. Brand new Nissan selling. That's how the day is, as you can see. My headquarters, the lights are, look at the lights. Yes, sir. Lights on. HQ. Lights on. We're open for business. Ready. It's probably midday right now though, but because of the weather like this, you know it. Oh, like that. Yeah. Guys, take it easy on the road when I'm driving here. Everybody can't just smash up and crush up. So it's a phenomenal, wow, bro. Look at that. It's a phenomenal, man. That is the reason why I started recording this video, because of the weather. And I want to share it with you guys. Because that's what I'm vlogging about right now, is experience, life. As I'm about to go on the road, it starts raining. I take that as a sign of I'm not ready yet. Because well, anyway guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm gonna get back inside because you know the breeze is blowing at me. Whenever that happens, I get extremely sick. So I'll see you in the next clip. Make sure you're following the channel anyway. Make sure you're locked in, subscribe, the notification is on and everything like that. We are open for business. So guys, I'm back at the shop, and when I came I get straight into action. Here as you can see, I'm still creating some wheels right now. There's a food right here. Touch it. And you can see that's what the day going right now. I decided to take the camera up and, you know, give you guys an update on what's going on. Sometime, whenever I make plans, this is how the plans go sometimes. Because then it's going to lead up to the night. Then I'm going to have to take a whole extra day to upload, and then the internet gonna be slow. And that's how we get pushback every single time. This time I decided I'm gonna record. As you can see, I'm working right now. I'm holding a camera like this right now with one hand. And this is not really practical for the job. I need to have the brush in there and you know, comb and brush like right there. I should be hitting that with the brush because I want to be transparent and show you guys how barbering is like a very demanding job. You never can't predict nothing because we're not. I'm personally I'm not in a system where you book. Where you book your time. It's just walking. You can see. So you have to grab it while you can. Anyway, I'll give you more update after. Right now guys, this is a live update of what's going on in this Saturday here. And I'm still at the chair. Here we go. I'm still here at the chair. Working. I'm just tapping in to give you a live update what's going on, of what to expect when you become a barber and how it's set up with you have walk-in clients. Sometimes you don't have any chance to go to your food and eat it, even though you purchase it. And it's sitting right there. Let me check on the time. See, maybe it's like 2-3 hours after. No, it's almost 5 minutes to 6. And that's 3 hours. That's 3 hours non-stop. But we don't complain, we adjust and we move on. Because at the end of the day, this is how we pay our bills. This is how we put food on our table. You can see, we blending down here. Professional barbers. You can see. I'm at the shop at the HQ right now. Still on the job, still doing it. And we have to cut in to do some vlogging in the meantime because we need to take vlogging serious. Bro said he's not gonna touch the top, so I'm just gonna do the sides. He's gonna keep it up like that. So I'm just gonna hit the sides, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get through these cuts, and I'll give you an update in the next. There you go, Mr. James. In the next, maybe whenever I remember to pick up the camera. Stay locked in, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Support your boy. Okay guys, it's night out. See? Yeah, outside. Dark out. Still going. Still have more people waiting. I'm not complaining. That's how it is at some day, like on a Saturdays or a Sundays or a Friday. That's how it is. Because we accommodate walking. We don't do sittings appointment or anything like that. We don't do bookings. So I'm still here vlogging, you know, trying to make content even though it's getting late. So outside, there's no more outside vlog. I'm still at the shop. Try making content, trying to become a vlogger, you know, international vlogger. So if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe from now. Also, I want you to watch the video until the end, just to support me as a content creator who is coming up, who needs support more than ever because YouTube algorithm have a way where it's set up where if you don't engage in the video, like comment, share, like, it doesn't get recognized, it doesn't get pushed, because that's how the YouTube algorithm is set up. So I'm asking you for a favor to watch the video today and like it. Just double tap the like, just like the button, triple tap it, and support. It's just like me asking you for help me to get to the next level without not asking for any money, not asking you for anything, just a like on a video. That's all I'm asking for, a like on a video. So the algorithm can get promoted, because everything is AI monitored and AI driven. So as you can see, we have YouTube video. We only watch YouTube in the shop. So you got I Am Mara going on there. We watch African YouTube a lot. And watch everybody, watch every YouTube. I'm just walking in. And I'm trying giving you an update in between, just to let you know where I'm at the day and why sometimes I'm late to shoot, to upload a video, because the timing is very crucial when you're a barber that does the booking, because I would know that I shouldn't be booking 2 hour space, or you know what I mean. People just show up, we just get busy, cut them. This is where I'm at right now. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next clip. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Make sure you watch the video today. Finally, I'm in the seat now. I'm finally sitting down. Gonna get some grubs, clean up, pause. But as you can see, guys, we're still vlogging. It's night time, so I apologize for the quality of the video, because the GoPro don't capture as good as night. Even though the lights are out, it still capture kind of dark. I give myself a shape up, and then I'm gonna sit down and edit the video over there. I'm gonna edit this bit, and hopefully I make the duration of the video, because there's a target that I want to hit every time. So, is this an outro? I don't think so. I'm gonna still find a haircut clip to make up the time, because as I said, there's a duration that I have to eat after it. But we're still out here chilling, looking at Mara's video from Kenya. And that's how, if you can see, that's how them do houses in Kenya. That's it, guys. See you in the next clip. It is raining. But even though it's raining, we have to eat food. So I'm going to take a walk up to the restaurant. Oh, my energy is pop out the umbrella and go for a nice little stroll. This is part of vlogging. I could have jumped on that bus, but I have to make this journey on the foot today, just because I want to vlog. As I have been pushing myself. I've been pushing myself to create these videos. So I changed my slippers though. This one gonna be so. This is the views under the umbrella. Under my umbrella. This is what we really talk about, you know. It's under my umbrella. Oh my God. I know I need a 360 camera to attach to the slide. Whenever I slide through the air, capture them 360 shot. It's kind of investment. Sunday and it's raining and my energy is pretty damn good, honestly. I don't know, it's not bad, it's just not great. Traffic, big door, this cylinder. So yeah, people buy this. Oh. Some people buy those too much water. Definitely gonna soak my foot up there. So people buy those cylinder. Those are propane. Yeah. For $5 here. They change that for $5. That's what most people cook with in the house. Like just like two companies, so it's the same thing. So one restaurant, I'm going by the one at the top. So it look like the food good. Coming or going? Look at this style of walking, bruh. Hey, man. See? When you have a motorcycle, you come like a time travel. That's 3 times past the same bike. Right? Like bro, time travel, teleportation, 4 times. Let's go to the restaurant and get some food. Let's go get some food. Some pork, chicken, meatballs, chicken, rice. Crash from the mall, right there. It's a mega mall. Right through here, that's chilling. This side of mine. Like, I like that. Don't try to make up your mind, they want to be confused. I see too much food. Yeah, it's a bit confusing. Pop up in there, bunking up. So we can pee. true. This is like oil gisada. They like fried chicken. Eeny, meeny, miny. No, I would never do that because the grounded meat will burn my stomach. This, that's pork. Not feeling that today. Eeny, no, I'm gonna take fried chicken. I'm eating fried chicken in 3 days. Best believe it. So we're waiting right now. Oh, your frito, bro. For salsa, eh? What are you offering? Taking the breast. The breast. The salsa. Yeah. ¿Cuánto es eso? 3. That's $3. That food, $3. $3. $3 for a complete meal. Complete. Dale, bomba. No, I have to go figure out how to walk with an umbrella and a food. That's because umbrella and a food and a camera, and we take some skill. Black in the whole of the place we got. There you go. Funny thing is, I have to pick up some coffee. As you know, #1 drink in a hurry. We go down there so we get it. This is one can with a motorcycle. When it rain like that, you don't want to be like sliding around and putting on basically a wetsuit. This is how you have to do it. That is traffic right there. That's because that is weird people parking like that, like that. Come on, man. See if we can get a shot. Oh, we're stuck in this frame. So, too much water. Too much water. Right on my feet, it's so I can't get a different. Yeah. If I don't go to the pharmacy right now and get me some stuff. What up, look? Cool. I might have to stop record. But I'm gonna still get it. But I have to just stop recording in the pharmacy. Call it a day. And at the end of the day, there are two options. I could go again, go and come back. Or I could just cut the video in the pharmacy. It is right here. So that's what I'm gonna do, man. It's raining, man. There's not much I can do about that. I don't control the weather. Let me take coffee. I'm going to get me a coffee. Hola, hola. A coffee grande, una. ¿No tiene fabuloso? Fabuloso, papizo. ¿No tiene nada papizo? Ah. Dame el café. Yeah, put this now. I need fabuloso, fabuloso. Fabuloso, fabuloso. Tayo. Esos. Dale así, dale. I did not get. Put down underneath the machine. One drip, that should burn. That burn it to the skin, to the epidermis. Alright guys, I don't know I'm gonna take all of this stuff. So I just might call it here. I just might have to improvise.